Now we will see the structures inside this gluteus maximus muscle. You can see this is the body's biggest nerve. This is sciatic nerve, and this is piriformis muscle. And here there are three muscles attached to the greater trochanter. See, this is the superior gemellus muscle, this is inferior gemellus muscle, and this is in between this is the tendon of obturator internus muscle, and this is the medius muscle. We cutted this gluteus medius muscle to see the gluteus minimus muscle. You can see this is gluteal minimus muscle, and here the quadratus femoris muscle is this. This is also attached to the greater trochanter, and here you can see this is the hamstring part of the abductor magnus muscle. This is the piriformis muscle. It is also called as a key muscle of this gluteal region, because we are describing these nerves and these vessels all on the basis of this muscle. Below this muscle, the vessels are known as inferior, and above this muscle, the vessels are known as superior. That is why it is called as a key structure of gluteal region. This is originated from the middle three spines of the sacrum, like a three digitations, and small fibers are originated from the greater sciatic notch, and these are inserted to the greater trochanter. You can see this is the greater trochanter, and this is tendinous insertion. So you can see this is tendinous insertion. Round tendon is inserted to the greater trochanter. The nerve supply of this muscle is ventral rami of S1 and S2 nerves. The action of this muscle is the lateral rotator of thigh or the hip joint. This is the superior gemellus muscle. It is originated from the upper part of the lesser sciatic notch, and it is inserted to the middle part of the greater trochanter. And the nerve supply of this muscle is the nerve to obturator internus, which is supplying this obturator internus also. And the action of this muscle is lateral rotator of thigh or hip joint. And this is the obturator internus muscle. It is originated from the inner side of the obturator foramen, and it is inserted to the greater trochanter. And the nerve supply of this is nerve to obturator internus, and it is also action is also a lateral rotator of thigh or hip joint. And this is the inferior gemellus muscle. It is originated from the lower part of the lesser sciatic notch, and it is inserted to the medial surface of the greater trochanter, and it is nerve supply is by nerve to quadratus femoris, and action is lateral rotator of the hip joint. You can see these four muscles, and this quadratus femoris also, these all five muscles are the lateral rotator of thigh. And the nerve supply we easily remember as we know there are two nerves. The one is nerve to obturator internus and nerve to quadratus femoris. See, you can see these two muscles are closed, and these two muscles are innervated by the same nerve, that is nerve to quadratus femoris, and these two muscles are innervated by nerve to obturator internus. This is the quadratus femoris muscle. It is originated from the upper part of outer border of ischial tuberosity. You can see this is the ischial tuberosity, and this is the sacrotuberous ligament, and it is originated to the quadrator tuberosity of this femur bone, and this is supplied by the nerve, already this is supplied by the nerve to quadratus femoris, and the action is same as this four muscle, that is lateral rotator of the hip joint. And we are going to study these vessels which is inside this gluteus medius muscle and gluteus maximus muscle. This is, you can see, this is below the piriformis muscle, that is above the piriformis muscle. That is why it is called as superior gluteal nerve, and this is called as superior gluteal artery. And here that branch is here, this is also superior gluteal artery, and there are two branches from the vein. These two are also called as superior gluteal vein. And here this is the inferior gluteal nerve, and this is inferior gluteal artery, and we can see this is cutted part of vein. This is inferior gluteal vein. Now we are going to study the spine structures. You can see this is the artery, this is internal pudendal artery, and the cutted part, this is the internal pudendal vein, and another nerve is there. This is below this is the pudendal nerve, you can see, and downside this is nerve to obturator internus. This is the nerve to obturator internus, and here we can see this is here pudendal nerve is slightly bigger than this obturator internus, because we have to give the anesthesia to block this pudendal nerve while in the delivery of the pregnant woman in that time.